Hello boys, ladies and gentlemen. I'm out here in the, can we call this the carpentry shed? We're going to be out here a while just to cut a couple of pieces of wood for this project. We're making another polystyrene cutter, but this one is different. It's quick release because we want to be able to release the wire so we can thread it up and all. Thing is, we don't know what the fuck we're doing, but that should all come to us. We want at least 9 inches high by any 9 inches. You might hear me grunting and hunting because I did my Achilles Tendon. I think it's called Achilles Tendon, whatever it's called. I did my tendon in on the back of my ankle where they use the igot. And it is killing me. Absolutely fucking killing me. That's gonna go in there. I know you can't see a fucking thing now, and I know you're saying, Rob! Some people might be interested. You never know, these days. There's a lot of people wanting to do this sort of stuff now. They're bored of doing anything else. You know, if you're home all day doing sod all, you've got to find something to do. Now, don't say, Rob, you looks like you haven't got a clue what you're fucking doing, because I can only agree with you. Everything I do is made up as we go along, so it might come out alright, or it might come out the laughing stock of the internet. That's our boom arm, which is going to fit in there. Then block things you're looking at with suspicious eyes, we're going to go under there like that. Right, let me show you. We've rounded it off slightly. I've got the groove in the top to hide the wire, and then I put the groove down the back to hide the wire. It's a bit tight at the moment, but it should go right in there. Got a piece of wood? Yes, I have. It goes right in there like that. It's pretty sturdy already, but it's not right through. So when I put this piece on there, which is going to take the switch and whatever, not the switch, the mains, it's going to pull that through. Does that understand? Fuck you. Oh, sacking sawdust. There should be a fucking government health warning on fucking sawdust. Piece of fuck. Does anybody know anything with a decent chuck on it? Like they used to make in the old fucking days, which wasn't that long ago. And they took more over the design, the lightness, over the weight, the rather than do the fucking chuck. We'd be chuffed, don't give a toot what this looks like, be chuffed just to get a decent chuck. And don't say, oh mine is great, because it's fucking bullshit. They're all shite today. So it looks like that. Right, that is solid. That you could fucking swing on there. Now we know it's not taking that much taut. Quite an easy, basic, everyday, run of the mill. I've never seen that before, Rob, but it is quite simple. It is quite simple. I've cut that off about that long. I know it don't matter how long it is at the moment. What I'm going to try and do is form a little hook on the end of there to take the cutting wire. So I don't want it in the middle, I want it over there so I can curve it around. It's technical, but it might just work. I know that was going to be hard, see? See? My brain do work sometimes. So I want it though. There you go. I like that. I'll get there. I'm slow, but I'm going to get there. That's going to go there like that. I sandwiched 3 pieces together. I'm going to try and drill an hole out of there. But I can see I have cocked up wickedly. So if you stay there a minute, I will uncock up. Hopefully nobody will notice. They should notice because it's not in view. That's supposed to go in that way. So I've drilled an hole in there. This piece here should come out in a minute. If it does come out, it does. So we're left with that now. Horseshoe. That's going to go in there, and that now is going to go pretty tightly on there. Something like that. Fuck knows, as usual. I get things in the corner of my eye, see that's not level, and that's just going to wind me for about 2.5 hours. So it's easier just to do it now. Take 2 fucking seconds. I gotta discut out here, man, it's too dusty. Right, we're gonna hot glue, hot glue, if and when it starts working, which it is now. So first try and get some in here. That should do. Put your bush in, push your bush in. I see the most strangest stuff, don't I? We want some down there, and we want some down there. Now that should now go on there as if it wants to, which it did. There's no hardly any tension on here. Don't fall for that. Don't fall for that trick. We ain't got a spring. There's no way we got a spring for this. So we'd have to make one. Always throw it on the floor first. You get that little bit of exercise bending down having to pick it up. You bastard. That spring's alright. Oh, whip. Like the teachers used to whap you across the back of the knuckles with a... you wouldn't know that. Just this... having too much paint to talk. Now that should give you a little... Right, on with the paint. So if I want to change the wire, I just got to push down, unhook it, bring it up through the hole, hook it back on, and away to go. That's how quick this thing is going to be. So we want that pretty square that way, right? Is that agreed? So it's pretty square that way. It's obviously pretty square that way now because I've just done it. And it's pretty square that way. Is there. Pretty mil. And there's it all. We're doing exactly the same in this piece. This piece is going under there. Now we're going to put a hole through that there. Preferably centre would be nice. I'm guessing I'd say right there. There's your way through there. That goes under here. And it's just a matter of putting a pin in. It's going to fit up in there, huh? I won't force it in there, kid. Oh, you forced it in there. Alright, it's in there now. But that's there. I can push it back out for you. We just got to do that pin. We ain't got no cutting wire. It's due tomorrow. Pretend that's the cutting wire, alright? Which I've ordered. So it then goes up to the head. There. Alright, now I cut this short because I wanted to show you how this thing works. You just push down, hook your wire on, and that's it. And then we'll take the tension up to what you think fit. And then you've still got that little bit of, which they say you should have. So you'll be zimming around there now with a piece of polystyrene. So if you wanted to cut a circle in out of the middle, you just obviously do your stab hole, push this up through your stab hole, push down and re-hook, and then you're ready to go. Switches on you. So there'll be a wire running down there, down the back to the negative, and then under here, that pin I put in, that pin I put in, you'll have a wire coming from the pin into the switch, out to the positive, so the pin comes out. So you want to put a new wire in, it's just put it through, push the pin back in, and that's done, it's finished. Turn it over and start cutting. Now I could pretend I'm a Russian and spray the fucking way, but we want this right up there. I want that so you can't see the hook. That spring's a bit tough, so I can cut there to there, the full thickness, whatever that is, which we forgot. I think it worked out about 9.5 inches, and as I said, my cast boxes are 9 inches, so you're not gonna. I don't want to cut anything bigger than 9, otherwise it won't fit in the box. I'll look for a knob to go on this, just to put a knob on, tap it out. You know the score on that.